how to get $30 Uber Eats promo code. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can get $30 Uber Eats promo code. So without any further delay, let's get started. First off, you have to open up Google on your device and in the search bar search for Uber Eats promo code. That's gonna lead you to multiple search results, and from here you can choose a site according to your preference. Here I'll just go with coupon follow, and under this site you will have all this kind of promo code for Uber Eats. Here you can select the one according to your preferences or you think that is beneficial to you. Now to copy the code, all you have to do is tap on it and make sure to view the card details for its expiry date. And if it's not expired yet, you can simply copy the code. Now to redeem it, tap on redeem at Uber Eats. Here you have to log in with your account and then you can simply use the code that you have copied recently, and there you have some amazing offers or discounts with the coupon code. And that's how you can get $30 Uber Eats promo code. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.